Good day, ladies and gentlemen, this is Lego and welcome to the channel. I discovered this quick trick to repair a USB flash drive or a SD card. I consider myself quite capable when it comes to IT, so I was surprised that I didn't know this. And recently one of my SD cards just stopped working, and this function actually worked well for me, and it's called check disk, and then the drive letter. So you check the drive letter that you need, and then /F, and that will repair it 90% of the time without really even formatting. So you just hit CMP and go to command prompt, and then you execute that command, and then it will run and tell you what's the format, what is the file systems type, but it won't format the drive, and after that you should be able to access it. Thank you for watching. I hope this works for you.